If you've been looking for a Hostinger discount code, you came on the right video. Just click the link in my description or scan the QR code on your screen. It'll automatically redirect you to your local Hostinger page.
You'll see the referral code is already applied, which means you're on the right track for that exclusive 20% discount. My code works on every kind of plan, whether it's premium, business, or cloud startup. I'll click on Choose Plan for a demo to show you exactly how it works, and at the checkout, you can see the 20% discount is already applied. I'm saving $38, so why wouldn't you? With this plan, and by clicking my link, you'll get 2 months extra free, domain name protection completely free, daily backup, and 5 mailboxes for free too. And all of this comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Even if you buy the hosting and aren't satisfied, you can cancel anytime, no questions asked. What are you waiting for? Let's check out the link in the description.